this is the backend system of our vending machine systems. You can see that we have the link, website link for you to log in our vending machines backend system. And here we will give you the account and the password. And then you can log in and to see how our vending machines works. And you can see this can be changed to be your photo, and this also can be set. And this is the sales report. You can see that every day's data and total income, everything, and they have also the tablet, the tables and everything. And here you can see that this is the device management. Is for to manage your machines. If you have them 10 or more than 10 machines, you can put all the machine here, and then to set the group, set the list, and also the device RAM. Last RAM means when there is some error, it will have the notice. And this is the product management. Product management is for you to add the price, product name, the product price, and product quantity. You can see this is the pictures. You can upload it if you want, and this is the edit. And here is the advertisement management. It's for you can make the piece upload the pictures and the video to display on the screen. And this is for you to check the sales reports, and also can be export the ESL file to get the sales data. And this is the statistics. You can be charged by income, device income, product income, and the user income, and the data income. And this is the system setting. It's setting for your password and the name and everything.